Evening, folks. So I recently had to file my first warranty claim with Dewalt on a battery, and I've seen some videos out there where people really complain about Dewalt's warranty process and how it's a hassle. So I just wanted to throw my experience out there as a data point. This was back in, must have been November 2017. It was a Black Friday deal. I bought one of their combo packs, 7 tools and 2 batteries, whatever. And it came with 2 of these, the 2 amp hour batteries. They're essentially throwaways, but they do work, especially in the lower power tools. They do provide enough energy. But anyway, this was probably 6 months ago or something. It stopped. It would take a charge, but would only run for like a minute or two. And so I finally decided to give their support a call and see if they would warranty it, because it's still within the 3-year time frame. So I called them last Tuesday, it was the 16th, and I called them around, it was 12:30 in the afternoon, and I picked the option to just have, save my spot in queue, but give me a call back when the next representative is available. It took 5 hours. They called me at like 5:20 p.m., but they did call back. At that point, I just told the guy I was driving. I said, hey, I'm driving. I don't even have the battery with me. I can't give you the serial number or anything. And he said, that's fine. Just give me your email address. I'll email you. You send me back the info and we'll send you a new battery. So that night, it was like, I don't know what it was. Certainly after their business hours, I sent him the model number and the little date-coded, I guess it's a serial. And I got a response back the next day. Thank you, we'll ship you one out. And so here we are on the 24th. So it's really, from the time they had the information, that's 7 business days. I got my new battery. And sure enough, this is actually new. This is not a refurb. I was kind of expecting that. But, and this is not repackaged. It's not like they just put it in another package and sealed it up. There's not a ding on this thing, and the date code is from 2020. So it was no questions asked. I don't have to send back the old one. So my experience was positive. I know that some people will complain that taking a week to get your replacement is ridiculous. Because if you depend on whatever the tool was for your job, you're going to be without that tool for a week, and that's going to cost you money, etc. I get that point. I disagree with it. If you have a tool that is absolutely critical to the functioning of your business, you need to have backups. This is not my only battery, which is why it took me 6 months to file the warranty claim. But and it doesn't matter what the tool is, if a circular saw is part of your day-to-day operation, and if that saw goes down, you can't continue work, you need to have multiple saws. So that if it takes Dewalt or Makita or whomever a week or 2 to get you a replacement, you're still able to work. And that goes for anything. It doesn't matter if you're a professional caver. Your most important tools, you have multiple instances of it. If you're a caver, you don't go into the cave with one flashlight. You go in with multiple flashlights because your life is depending on it. So same thing in business. If your life or your livelihood depends on something, you need to have multiple copies of it. So, the week turnaround was not an issue for me. I feel it was reasonable, especially, they're not asking me to return the old one anywhere, not even drop it off at a service center or something. So that's my experience. Like I said, one data point, but wanted to share it. Until next time, farewell.